Hi guys, welcome back to Sue's All-in-One channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Palak Paneer Paratha. Now let's get started and check out the recipe. First, let's blanch the palak. I have taken 2 cups of water. To that I'm adding half tablespoon of salt and a big bunch of palak, that is spinach. Let it boil for around 4 to 5 minutes max, and then strain out the excess water and let it cool completely. Once it's cooled down completely, transfer it to a mixer jar. I'm adding 1 inch of ginger, 4 to 5 chilies, and grind it to a fine paste. Now let's prepare the stuffing. I've taken 2 cups of grated paneer. To that I'm adding salt as per taste. Now I'm adding all the masalas to it. 1/4 tablespoon cumin powder, 1/4 tablespoon coriander powder, 1/4 tablespoon amchur powder, and 1/4 tablespoon garam masala powder. Lastly, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander. Give it a nice mix and our stuffing is ready. Next, let's prepare the dough. For that I have taken 2 cups of wheat flour, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon oil. To this, add the grinded paste. Mix the ingredients and prepare a soft dough. You can add a little more extra water if needed. Apply some oil to the dough and cover it with a moist cloth and keep it aside for 20 minutes. I've taken a small ball sized dough, dust some dry flour, and then roll out the dough a little. Slightly press on the edges and then add the stuffing in the center. Prepare the pockets and then roll out the parathas. Now cook the paratha on a tawa on both sides by applying ghee or oil. These parathas can be made for breakfast, lunch or dinner. It's a great lunchbox recipe as well. You can serve this with curry of your choice, mint chutney, pickle or with curds. I hope you like this recipe. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.